Hello everyone, today we talk about present perfect tense. Let's see how we can form it, and also there is some important practice. Let's start. Let's talk about when to use the present perfect. So there is the action that was in the past, but the result is now. 2. There are some markers such as just, ever, never, yet, and already. If you see these words, it means that you should use the present perfect tense. And number 3, when, so the time is not important. The most important is the result. So what we have now, the result is extremely important in the present perfect. So how to form present perfect tense? There is a formula have, has, plus the third form of the verb. It can be either a regular verb, so we just need to add ed at the end, like cook, cooked, dance, danced, or it can be an irregular verb. And in this case, we should take the third form of the verb in the irregular verb table. So, for example, see, so seen, the third form is seen, and sleep, slept, slept. The third form is slept. Let's have a look at the example how to choose the correct form for the present perfect. For example, let's take the verb eat. This verb is an irregular verb, so we need to use the third form from the table of irregular verbs. There we can see eat, ate, eaten. Which verb do we need? Correct, we need the verb number 3, the form number 3, eaten. So let's see. As we said before, we need the third form eaten. So, and here we go. I have eaten. You have eaten. She, he, it has eaten. We have eaten. You have eaten. They have eaten. Present perfect tense is a little bit complicated tense in English. So today we're gonna talk only about positive sentences, and let's have a look at some examples that I prepared for you so you can understand it better. You can understand the sense better of this present perfect tense. Let's see. I saw a cake on the table yesterday. Now I don't see it. Where is it? Jane has eaten this cake. We have a pure result here. What is the result? There is no more cake, and Jane knows the taste of this cake. There can be also some other results, but we have the result, guys. Jane has eaten this cake. We don't have cake anymore. And they can be results like, I don't know, Jane has allergy to this cake, or the cake wasn't delicious, or etc, etc, etc. Important is we don't know when she ate it, but we know that she has eaten this cake. So again, result, result, and result. So I hope that you understood, you have some idea about what the present perfect is. And let's continue with some practice. Okay, let's dive in.